Name is Jaspreet Singh. Today's my topic is a short description of the technology and the industry. First, description of 3D printing technology. The 3D printed technology is also known as additive manufacturing. This term describes the process for making objects by using 3D printing technology. Second, description of athletic industry. Porter defines the definition of an industry in 1985, that is a market in which similar or closely related products are sold to buyer. There are many industries who form products in different variety for different use. Third, description of 3D technology with athletics industry. Nike has been manufactured many products by using the 3D printing technology. Cleats pair has been produced by Nike in 2014, that is known as Nike Vapor Hyper Agility Cleat for improving athletic agility during targeted football drills. Part 2. There are three ways that technology may change or disrupt the industry. 3D printing on athletic industry. Many of companies like Nike and Adidas are utilizing the 3D printing for manufacturing footwear or other sports goods for athletes. The 3D printing has improved performance of the athletes. Many industries like Nike and Adidas manufacture 3D printing running shoes for athletes that help them improving and balancing the running speed. When the marker for making 3D printing goods will maximize in sports industries, then more design of such 3D printing goods will be shared at domestic level, and then sports company productivity can be affected. Part 3. Disruption. Chosen disruption. The 3D printing technology is great innovation in sports industry that is not revolutionized in any other industry. When the marker for making 3D printing goods will maximize in sports industries, then more design of such 3D printed goods will be shared at domestic level, and then sports company productivity can be affected. Most of the athletes have started to produce their own 3D printed equipment. Second, description. Activity performed by sports industry developer or marker of the 3D printing goods are problem. If they will increase in amount, the chances of leaking their design will increase. Enhance industry will be affected due to this factor. So if limits the number of developer, there is a chance to protect privacy of industry. Thank you.